Sorry.
Ms. Chavez, did you understand your rights as they were read?
Yes, sir, I did.
Yeah, you have a couple charges, fair to ID fugitive, giving false information, and driving while intoxicated. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on those two charges?
Yes, please, sir.
We'll put you down for yes, public defender.
Ms. Chavez, are you from Amarillo?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay. And your current address, how long have you been there?
15 years.
And you have family in Amarillo, is that right?
I do, sir.
Who lives here?
My 3 children, my husband, my aunts. I have various family here.
And you are working, right?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
Chavez Brothers Concrete.
Okay. And what do you do there?
I'm the office manager.
And how long have you worked for the concrete place?
About 9 years.
Okay. Judge, just ask for a fair and reasonable bond for Ms. Chavez and a personal bond if it's available.
Okay. I will, on the failure to ID fugitive, giving false information, set your bond at $750. Driving while intoxicated, first offense, a $3,000 bond. They have conditions that you do not consume alcohol. You must remain at your residence between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. unless you are working, and then it's only to or from that place of employment. You are not to commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I have a question for the officer. Says that she's got another charge outside, or has that already been?
So yes, sir.
Okay. Where was that from?
Randall County, sir.
It's a Class A misdemeanor. I'll set the bond on that one at $2,000. That was not on the sheet, by the way.
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
I was trying hard to find it, but I didn't see it.
Okay. All right. Any questions, ma'am?
No, sir. Thank you.
All right, thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Braman, did you understand your rights as they were read?
Yes, sir.
It's like you have a charge locally of failure to ID fugitive, giving false information. And you have is Braman not on the sheet either?
You should be.
It's out of county, it looks like, Judge.
His is an added charge, I believe.
What?
I might be confusing it with somebody.
Yeah, I don't think I have any other charges.
He should be on the probation violation.
I have it. You have a charge out of Greene County for probation violation, evading detention with a motor vehicle. You have a charge out of Hudson County for possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1B, less than 1 gram. And you have a charge out of Moore County for possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1B, less than 1 gram. You need court-appointed attorneys for those charges, sir?
Yes, sir.
Put you down for yes, public defender.
Jaysen, are you currently living in Bushland?
Yes, sir.
And how long have you lived in Bushland?
My whole life. Well, my whole life.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And in Bushland, what family do you have there in Bushland?
My parents.
Okay. And are you working?
Self-employed. Yes, sir.
Okay, what do you do?
I do irrigation and handyman stuff.
Okay. And you've been doing that about 8 months, you said?
Yes, sir.
Judge just asked for a fair and reasonable bond for Jaysen's case here.
Okay. On the failure to ID, giving false information, the county charged Potter County $750 bond. And I will make that a personal bond. On the Greene County probation violation, $10,000 bond. Hutchinson County possession and Moore County possession. They didn't recommend a bond on those, so I will not set a bond on those two. And then if they want to set one, they can do so on Monday or whatever, whenever you can contact them. Any questions, sir?
No, sir, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, she doesn't, she speaks Spanish, I will be translating for you.
Okay. Do you understand her rights as written?
Sí, sí entendió lo que usted dice.
Sí.
Yes.
She need a court-appointed attorney on the charge of theft of property, more than 100, less than 750, Class B misdemeanor.
¿Quiere usted un abogado del Estado o quiere agarrar su propio abogado en el cargo que tiene que ver encima de robo de propiedad? De más de 100, pero menos de 750.
Y necesito un abogado para cuando tenga.
¿Quiere que le den uno?
Sí.
Yes, she'd like a court-appointed attorney.
Okay. Public defender.
Thank you, Judge. When I spoke to Blanca, she said she lives in Logan, New Mexico for about 20 years. She has friends in Amarillo, and she's worked at a place called Trig Ranch for the past 11 years in Logan, New Mexico. So just ask for a fair and reasonable bond for her case.
Okay, set the bond at $1,000 with the condition she does not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. Does she have any questions?
¿Cómo?
Can you repeat the bond again, Your Honor?
$1,000.
Tiene
Una fianza de
$1,000.
$1,000.
Tiene condiciones cuando salga mientras esté fuera bajo fianza, no puede cometer ningún crimen en el estado de Texas ni en el estado de Washington.
Ok.
¿Tiene preguntas?
La fianza, tengo que agarrar una compañía de fianzas para que la pague. ¿Y cómo puedo agarrarla? Porque he tratado de hablar por teléfono, pero no me contesta.
Ok, está bien. Eso yo ahorita le ayudo, pero no tiene preguntas para el juez sobre su fianza o algo más.
No.
No, no questions. Your Honor, she understands.
Okay, thank you.
Ahorita más tarde le puedo hablar con
Ok, gracias.
Parece cuando hablo tienes que hablar aquí, ¿ok?
¿Tengo que hablar aquí?
Okay, did he understand his rights as they were read?
Sí entendió lo que le estaba diciendo ahorita después de sus derechos. Aquí tengo un papel ahorita se lo doy aquí. Sí, si no se le puede mira, se fue así. Yes, Your Honor, that paper right there that I just handed to him are the rights.
Okay. He has a charge of driving while intoxicated with open container. Does he need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Su carga viene siendo de manejando mientras intoxicado con un contenedor abierto. ¿Quiere usted que le den un abogado o quiere agarrar su propio abogado?
Pues, ¿cómo sería mejor que me lo dieran?
Si usted gusta.
Pues sí, me lo dieran.
He'd like a court-appointed attorney.
Okay. Public defender.
And Judge, when I spoke to Mr. Hernandez, he stated that he'd been in Amarillo about a week, and he's worked as a roofer for the past year and a half. So just ask for a fair and reasonable bond for Mr. Hernandez.
Okay, set your bond at $3,500 with conditions he does not consume any alcohol. He must remain at his residence between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. unless he is working, and then it is only to or from that place of employment or residence. He may not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States while he's out of bond.
Su fianza va a ser de 3,500. Mientras esté fuera bajo fianza tiene condiciones. Una de ellas es de que no puede usted vivir ningún trago alcohólico. Tiene tiempos de que tiene que estar un horario que tiene que estar en su residencia de las 9 de la noche a las 6 de la mañana Y eso no incluye si es que va al trabajo o va a su casa del trabajo. ¿Ok? También
Ok,
tiene condición de que no puede cometer ningún crimen en el estado de Texas ni en ningún estado de los Estados Unidos.
ok.
¿Se entiende? Ok. You
Uh,
understand?
all right, thank you.
That's all. Póngase todo.
Esto me lo doy.
Es suyo.
Ok.
Did you understand your rights as I read them, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a charge of driving while intoxicated. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes, sir.
Put you down for yes, public defender.
Thank you, Judge. Miss Jimenez, are you from Amarillo?
Yes.
You've lived here your whole life?
Yes.
Okay, and your current address, how long have you been there?
I've been there for since May. I've
Okay.
just bought the house.
Okay. And you have family in Amarillo.
Yes.
Who's that, your mom?
Mom, dad, my kids, my grandkids,
Okay,
cousins.
lots of family.
Yes.
And are you working?
Yes.
Where do you work?
I work for Catholic Charities.
Okay, how long have you worked for Catholic Charity?
Almost 2 years.
Okay. Judge just asked for a fair and reasonable bond for Miss Jimenez and a personal bond if it's available.
Give you a $3,000 bond with conditions you do not consume alcohol while you're out on bond. You must remain at your residence between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. Unless you're working, and then it's only to or from your place of employment in your residence. You may not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Estrada, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Well, you have a charge here of driving while intoxicated, first offense, Class B misdemeanor. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes, sir.
Put you down for yes, public defender.
Joseph, are you from Amarillo?
Yes, sir, I am. Born and raised.
Born and raised, okay. And your current address, how long have you lived at that address?
For about 6 years now.
Okay. And you said you have some family in Amarillo. Who's that?
I do. I have my mother, my father, and my 2 sisters.
Okay. And you're working as well. Where do you work?
I work for Clearway Energy. We're a renewable energy company. We do wind turbines.
So you're one of the people who climb up and work on those way high in the air, is that right?
Yes, I'm a lead technician out there.
Okay. And what area is that? You said it's in Wildorado?
It's in Wildorado, correct.
And how long have you worked for Clearway?
About 2 years now.
Okay. Judge just asked for fair and reasonable bond for Joseph's case and a personal bond if it's available.
Set your bond, sir, at $3,000 with conditions that you do not consume alcohol while you're out on bond. You are to remain at your residence between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. unless you are working, and then it's only to or from that place of employment in your residence. You are not to commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. You have any questions?
No, sir.
All right, thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Castleberry, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have a charge, sir, of driving while intoxicated. And you have a charge, outside charge, I believe.
No, Your Honor. You have one.
Just that one charge.
KPs. 4 KPs.
Okay. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on your charge?
I'm sorry, Judge?
Do you need a court-appointed attorney on your charge?
It's my first time.
No, I think we do, Judge.
Uh,
Court appointed, please.
That's down for 2. Go ahead, public defender.
Isaiah, are you from Amarillo?
Yes.
Okay, born here, raised here?
Yes.
And does your family still live here?
Yes.
Okay, who's that? Your mom and dad?
My dad, my grandparents, and my aunt and my uncle.
Okay. And is this the
My
first time
brothers.
your brothers?
Yes.
Is this the first time you've been arrested?
Yes. The last time.
First and last, good. And you're indigent right now, right? You're on Social Security disability?
Yes.
Okay.
Then I also donate plasma on this side.
Okay. And Isaiah, would you promise the judge that you would take care and make sure that you attend all your court hearings and make sure that you speak with your attorney and work with him to resolve this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Judge, just ask for fair and reasonable bond for Mr. Castleberry and a personal bond if it's available.
And set your bonds for at $3,000 with conditions you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are not to consume alcohol, and you must remain at your residence between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. unless you are working, and then there's only to or from that place of residence or your employment.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
All
sir.
right. Do you have any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.
Hi,
Yes,
Your Honor.
Good morning. Miss Mueller, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
You have charge of driving while intoxicated. And you have a charge out of Randall County for deadly conduct, discharging a firearm. Do you need court-appointed attorneys for those charges?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
That looks down for yes. Public defender.
Miss Mueller, are you from Amarillo?
Yes, born and raised.
Born and raised here. And where did you graduate from high school?
I went to Tascosa almost all 4 years, but I graduated through North Heights.
Okay. And you have family here, is that right?
Yes.
Your mom and dad live here?
Yes.
Are you working?
Yes, correct.
Where do you work at?
All the time I'm working. Mud Racks right now, bartending.
That's a restaurant?
Yeah, we serve pizza, and it's a bar. We have pool leagues Monday and Tuesday nights.
Okay. The judge just asked for a fair and reasonable bond for Miss Mueller.
Okay, set your bond at $3,000 with conditions you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are not to consume alcohol, and you must remain at your residence between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. unless you are working, and then it is only to or from that place of employment in your residence or vice versa. On the charge out of Randall County on deadly conduct, that's $3,000 bond to report to Randall County at their convenience. If you bond out on that. Okay. If you don't, then they'll come get you and take you to Randall County.
I can bond out on here though. Okay. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you, Your Honor.
Okay.
I understand.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Wall, do you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
You have a charge of driving while intoxicated, first offense. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
No, sir, I have one.
Okay. Public defender.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Wall, are you from Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And your current address, how long have you been there?
16 and a half, almost 17 years.
Okay. And you have family in Amarillo.
Yes, sir.
Who's that? Your mom?
I got my mom, 2 brothers, nieces, nephews,
Okay.
aunts, uncles, cousins.
Are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
I work at Pantex
Okay. And you've been a Pantex since when?
since March of
Okay.
this year.
Okay, Judge, just ask for a fair and reasonable bond for Mr. Wall and personal bond if it's available.
Yeah, I'll set your bond at $3,000 with conditions that you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are not to consume alcohol, and you must remain at your residence between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. unless you were working. Or
Yes, I go to work at 6 in the morning.
okay. And that includes you may drive beyond those hours if you are going to or from your place of employment or your residence.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Avila, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, you have a charge of discharging firearm in certain municipalities. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's down for yes, public defender.
Thank you, Judge. Joseph, how long have you lived in Amarillo?
About 5 years.
5 years. And your current address, how long have you been there?
About 4 months. We just recently moved.
Okay. And you have family in Amarillo, is that right?
Yes, I have my wife, I have my daughter and my son and my uncle.
How old are your kids?
My daughter is 2 and my son is 1.
Okay. And are you working?
Yes, sir. I'm working overnights at Walmart,
Okay. Which Walmart you working at?
I-40 in Grand.
Okay. And how long you been there?
About like 4 months.
Okay.
Like 2 months, yeah, 4 months.
Judges ask for a fair and reasonable bond for Joseph's case. Thank you.
Okay, we'll set your bond at $2,000. It's a personal bond.
Sir.
With conditions that you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are not to possess any firearm or ammunition.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just follow those instructions on that form that they gave you.
Okay.
And hopefully we won't see you.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Thank you.
How you pronounce your first name, sir?
Brylee?
Brylee? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you understand your rights as I read them, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have a charge of discharging a firearm in certain municipalities. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge? Or do you wish to furnish your own?
No, sir. I'll do my own.
Okay. Public defender.
Your first name is Brylee, is that right?
Yes.
Are you from Amarillo? I speak where you can hear you.
Yes, sir. Born and raised here.
Okay. And do you have family here?
Yes, sir. My whole family lives here.
Who's that? Your mom and dad?
Yes, sir. Mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, everybody.
Okay. Are you working right now?
Yes, sir.
What do you work?
Walmart, make like 16 an hour. Very blessed for my job, and I'm really worried to lose my job.
How long have you worked at Walmart?
Over a year now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Judge, just ask for a fair and reasonable bond for Brylee's case.
And give you a $2,000 personal bond with conditions that you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are not to possess any firearm or ammunition. Any questions, sir?
No, sir. Thank you.
All right.
It doesn't mean that that's 10%.
Miss Ledgerwood, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes.
Okay, you have a charge of bond surrender for silent abusive calls on 911 out of
Yes.
Hutchinson County. Our jurisdiction go that far, public defender?
Hutchinson County. I believe our office does not. I think, what's the county seat of that county?
Borger? Hutchinson County is Borger.
Okay, I think we don't reach there as of yet.
Okay. So do you need a court appointed, what you'll need to do once you get and go back to Hutchinson County, you'll have to ask them for a court appointed attorney or furnish your own. Just so you're aware of that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. They left it up to me to set your bond. I'll set your bond at $2,000. With conditions you do not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. Do you have any way, if you cannot make that $2,000 bond, Hutchinson County will come and come get you, take you back to their facility. Okay.
Yeah, make that bond. Hutchinson County will come and get you.
Oh, yeah, I can do the bond.
Okay.
Wait,
Very good.
it's 2,000 full, like.
So it's $200 through bond.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Any questions?
No,
Thank you, Judge.
thank you.
All right. Thank you. Bustamante, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
You have a charge driving while intoxicated 3 or more times. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge?
Yes, sir.
Puts down for yes, public defender.
Jose, how long have you lived in Amarillo?
About 20 years.
You got to speak into the microphone.
About 20 years or more.
Okay. And how long have you lived at your current address?
3 years.
And you have family in Amarillo?
Yes, brother and 2 sisters.
Okay. And are you working right now, Jose?
I'm retired.
Okay. Judge just asked for a fair and reasonable bond for Jose's case.
District attorney has recommended a $50,000 bond with conditions that. Just a minute.
2,000. I don't have it. 5,000. I don't have that. Up to your attorney.
Okay. Back online here. It does have some conditions, has numerous conditions. Number 1, before the 30th day after release on bond, defender must have installed on his vehicle a deep lung breath analysis mechanism. May not operate any vehicle not equipped with that device, and that is done at your expense. You're not to consume alcohol. You must remain at your residence between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. unless you're working, and then it is only to or from your place of employment and your residence. You are not to commit any other violations of the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. Within 72 hours of release of bond, defendant is ordered to wear or carry a GPS device. That's also at your expense. You cannot commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. You must submit to urinalysis testing when directed to do so by Potter and Randall County Adult Probation. And you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol. Do you have any questions, Mr. Bustamante?
I was at a program right now for a Faith City mission. And I was just asking if I could finish it.
Yeah, that's once you bond out, there's no as long as you're not doing any of the things that you are that I described to you on the bond conditions, you're all right to do that. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you. Lucas Mack, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have a couple charges. You have theft of property over $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions. Count 2 is theft of property over $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on your 2 charges, sir?
Court appointed.
Do you need one, or can you afford to hire your own?
Oh, I can't afford it. I can't afford to hire one, sir.
Okay,
Public defender, please.
all right, put you down for court appointment. Public defender.
Lucas, I'm sorry. Yeah, Mr. Mack, are you from Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
Born and raised here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
West Texas fence staining is where I work, sir.
Okay. How long have you worked at West Texas?
It's going on about 4 months now.
Okay. And do you have family in the Amarillo area?
Yes, sir.
Who's that?
One of them's my great grandmother, and I got my mom and my other grandmother.
Judge just asked for fair and reasonable bond for Mr. Mack's 2 cases.
Such bonds at $10,000 on each charge with conditions that within 72 hours of release on bond, defendant is ordered to wear or carry a GPS device that is done at your own expense. You are to remain at your residence between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. unless you are working, and then it is only to or from that place of employment. You may not commit any other offenses against the laws of the state of Texas, any other state, or those of the United States. While you're out on bond, you are to abstain from the use or possession of any dangerous illegal drugs, narcotics, marijuana, or alcohol unless so prescribed by a physician.
Yes, sir.
Any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you. Mr. Watson, did you understand your rights as I read them?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have a bond surrender, possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1B, less than greater than 1 gram. Do you need a court-appointed attorney on that charge, or do you already have one since you've already been here once?
I do have a court-appointed attorney already.
All right, we'll keep that in process. Because this is a bond surrender, you'll have to be arraigned or magistrated by the court that's hearing your case, which was the 251st District Court. So at this time, there is no bond. Any questions?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.